And I'm going to start with the
Miario ria koretwo igitungio mutumia wa uria wari munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua Pst.Dorcas Rigathi ya kumukuruhania na uteti wa kiburi urakuruhania na family yake riu ni mukinyirite na thutha wa gukorwo atumeirie kwa ihinda iraya. Pst.Dorcas ari bururi-ini wa America ni angetheire ateti a muthemba uyu na aria mari thirikari-ini
with the community leaders.
Ica-inĩ ikuhĩ mũtongoria wa AINGI MBUNGEINI KIMANI ICHUNG'WA nĩ ũronekire gũtororokia akioneka kwerekera Pst.Dorcas ũndũ ũrĩa ũrehete mbũkĩrĩra.
Hata huwezi ongea kama bibi hajaongea. Si unaonanga huyo mtu akienda lazima bibi aongee kwanza ili apewe ruhusa ya kuongea. Arĩ
bũrũri-inĩ wa America kĩgomano-inĩ na mabishofu, Pst.Dorcas augĩte thirikari nĩremetwo gũtungatĩra Kenya na nĩkĩo ũmwe wa arario cia Rigathi.
A man where the president, the deputy, the members of parliament, they hardly say anything else. I also listen. I hear they are always talking Wamunyoro. Wamunyoro, everybody is talking Wamunyoro. Is that a man you think what they are saying? It's you are such liars. And I will not stop loving my husband. I will not stop supporting my husband. I will support him. The other thing is, I will not stop praying for him. I will be a pillar for him. I believe in his vision. I believe in his dreams. And I support that he talks the truth.
No, na gũtuĩka ndagwetete mũtongoria wa AINGI KIMANI ICHUNG'WA na rĩtwa, Dorcas nĩonekete kũmũcokeria akĩmwĩra Rigathi nĩ ekũranĩte ta mũthuri wa nyũmba yake ona wĩra-inĩ wake wa kũgereka thirikari kabiru na ũguo ndeto iria aramũkuruhania nacio nĩ maheni.
Actually, I support when he speaks the truth. I sit there clapping, speak it. I wish there was a way like we do in the church and I tell my husband, preach it. Continue injecting the truth. And the moment you do it, and we can be able to transform our country. Tell them it is wrong to kill the children. Tell them it is wrong to lie.
Mwena-inĩ wake Gachagua augĩte president nĩ akoretwo akĩgwatĩre mĩthia nyingĩ ũtungata-inĩ wa bũrũri.
You know, the president does not know the problem in Kenya. He has given 7 reasons so far. He's a very confused person, extremely confused. When the Gen Z's protest started in 2024, he said it was my deputy and Uhuru. They are the ones who have incited people. He stayed after 3 weeks, he said no. It is the NGOs and the civil society.
Gachagua erĩte president atige kwĩgwatia ũreri mũru wa aciari rĩrĩa orio ciũria nĩ rika rĩa Gen Z.
The other day, he said it's a church. Okay? He said the church, you know, they are the ones who incited people, church leaders, nini. He went back again, he said it's the opposition. This Sunday, he said it's the parents. Yeah? He said it's poor parenting. William Ruto, please, can you make up your mind? What ails your country?
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.
Leaders, if you are